Hello everyone, welcome back to the Year 12 General Maths. Then today we're going to start with Chapter 2. So what we do is we're going to do the investigating association between two variables. So does anybody remember EV and RV? So that's what we're going to do, response variables and explanatory variables. We'll start with some easy starts. So what we do is we're going to defining and identify the EV and RV. Um, you probably learned from the year 11. So if you have a horizontal lines and that was your EV and the vertical lines are RV and so on. But how are we going to try to actually identify identify the response and the explanatory variables? What's the difference between? So I want you guys to remember. So explanatory variable will be independent variable and affects the response so dependent variables, which is like independent affects the dependent. So change the level of the education. So what we do is, for example, that's the affect the salary, for example, and then so the number of hours of the homework and affect your results, for example. So this is kind of example for the EV to the RV, and also the homework hours to or the number spent of the phone per day and will be affect your marks. So make sure you can read the questions beforehand and to find out the EV and RV. So first thing first. Uh, so first one is A. So we say the number of the visitor is a local swimming pool and the daily temperature. So the daily temperature is the pretty much like the uh, explanatory variable. Why? Because the daily temperature affect the local swimming pool. So for the number of the people are visiting, so which is the response will be visitor. Um, and next one, the block group of person and his or her favorite streaming services. Well, there's no possible to relate on the EV and RV for the question B. So I would say this one is not appropriate. Not appropriate. Yeah. Um, so that's it. Hopefully we give it a go and practice some questions on the booklet. So I'm probably gonna give you guys that one later as well. So please make sure practice a bit. And any question, please send an email to me, and then I'll see you guys next time.